Hi, I'm Ruben Stanislaus and I'm here with Sam from Roadster Magazine.
How did you get started on your career?
So I got started when I was 4 years old, back in go-karts. I just went to my local track and basically got hooked from then. I started on little electric go-karts and then just gradually progressed through the ranks. That's what I love doing, and I've been doing it for 14 years now.
What are you doing now?
So I just finished a season in Praga, which is like a Le Mans prototype car all throughout the UK, and I finished second overall in that championship. And then this year I'm hoping to go into Lamborghini Super Trofeo in the GT Cup, but just need the budget to do it.
What are your plans for the future?
So my long-term plan will probably be in GT racing on a worldwide scale. So Le Mans, any prototypes really. I would have loved to do F1, but it's just so expensive that I've got a passion for GT racing, so that's what I love to do.